In this video, we will talk about international artificial intelligence competition. Let's take a look at this figure. It is from Goldman Sachs Global Investment Research. The data is from the first quarter of 2012 to the second quarter of 2016. We see that US invests more money than China and UK in AI. And it also has more AI companies as well as AI patents than China and UK. Putin once said, AI is the future. Whoever becomes the leader of this field will become the ruler of the world. According to UN, the US and China are leading this race. China aims to create a 150 billion AI industry by 2030. Eric Schmidt, chairman of Alphabet, which is the mother company of Google, said China will take over America by 2025. Since 2018, China and the US has been in a trade war. One of the main battlegrounds is the 5G technology. Will there be a similar trade war in the future around AI technology? In March 2018, it was revealed that Cambridge Analytica has used Facebook data to perform data analysis for US presidential campaigns. Nations who lag behind in AI would not be only at a disadvantage economically, but also politically. A new kind of colonialism, data colonialism, may appear. Information mined in a less AI developed country could be analyzed by a more AI developed country and used to exercise control over the less AI developed one. Would AI turn into an arms race? AI can be a weapon worse than a nuclear bomb. So far, there is no international agreement to ban AI in military. Some nations may eventually decide to build automated weapons. Nations that do not use AI in military will be at a disadvantage. Automated weapons could also fall into the hands of terrorists. Should we allow military to use AI for defense purposes? Would this turn out to be a slippery slope?